My name's Amber, I'm 17 and I'm doing a health and social care course.
My name's Liz, I'm 18 and I'm doing health and social care.
My name's Amy, I'm 18 and I'm also doing health and social care.
I chose the course because I wanted to go into social work, and I knew that this course would prepare me fully to be able to go into social work, and it gave me the right grades to get into university as well, so that's why I chose it.
I chose it because I knew I wanted to do something care related, so health and social care seemed like the best choice.
At first I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew something along the lines I wanted to be a paramedic, so I went to Connections and they helped me to choose this course because it's broad and you can go anywhere from it, so I could always change my option at the end of it.
We come into college, it's like 2.5 days a week to study on communication and like equality and diversity and things like that, and then we also go on placement to apply what we've learnt in college to a health and social care setting.
Yeah, we do core units in different subjects like sociology, psychology, everything related with care and social work is all banged in the one course.
Now, our first year we had to do one in a nursery with children, one in a school and one in an elderly care home, so that was what we did in our first one. Everybody had to do that, but then in our second one we've kind of chosen more where we wanted to go to what our outcome wanted to be. So like mine was social work, so I've been working quite a lot with children who are in care in schools, like behavioural difficulties, where social works will be working with them also, so that's why I chose to go there this year.
Whereas I've been in a nursery working with 0 to 18-month-old children, but then I decided I would rather work with patients with mental health, so I was working in an independent mental health hospital, which I loved, absolutely loved it.
If you were to be a paramedic, I've mostly gone everywhere really, mostly in a school in mental health, so you haven't just got your everyday patients. With me being a St John Ambulance member, I can work with other people in different settings, so I can change my skills to suit everyone's needs.
What I enjoy most about this course is that I don't just focus around the social work aspect of the course, but it's also the health aspect, so I'm learning more than what I intended to.
What I enjoy about the course is it's very informal. It's not sort of a strictly based, you don't feel like you're in education, it's just like you're with a lot of friends but you're doing something good at the same time. It's really, I love it. It's so friendly, everyone is so friendly.
The thing I most enjoy about the course is the things that you do. You learn so many things, you put so much work and effort into it without actually realising, and then you come out with such good grades and you don't realise you've put so much work in, so it's a good outcome at the end.
And the fact there's no exams.
Yeah, there's no exams, it's work based as well, so that's easier on, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the best thing about the course.
The college facilities and like what it offers to us is obviously because we're right next to town as well, so like on our breaks and things we can go out there, so we feel a lot more independent than what we would do if we were in like a school. And we've also got obviously the placements that are made available to us, and we've got the hub, which is full of computers for us to use, and we've got a library, and there's a library just next door as well, so there's a lot of facilities for us to access to help us to get on with our work.
Yeah, there's a lot of independence involved. It's all about support. They support you so much, but you don't feel like it's a carry on from school really. It's very independent learning, and I love that.
You've got the coffee shop as well, so it's called a snack shack. So there you can get your lunch, you can get some breakfast. They're so friendly in there, it's just like being at home really. As well, the facilities, because you've got good connections, because it's such a small college, you've got connections with sport, art, and they all help you together. So like when we first come to the college, the facilities, we went over to Tittersworth and we did like all game activities to get everybody involved, like teamwork. So we worked as a team, sport did a team, and art, and we all did a joint thing, so we were all against each other. So it was a good way to get interactive with each other.
I chose to come to Leek College because I was originally going to take the health and social care course at school, but that would have meant I would have to take other courses to be able to keep me at school. But I decided to come here because the facilities they were offering to me were just like outstanding for what I wanted to do, and it's only this course that I've had to take so I can focus on just completing this course than having another course to have to focus on at school, which is why I came here, and it's ideally located as well.
I originally chose Leek College because I previously went to a sixth form to do my GCSEs, which I didn't like. It was a lot like school and you had to call everyone Miss and Mr, and I wasn't really sure about that, but when you come here it's just like I said, it's informal and you call the teachers by the first name. It's really friendly.
I chose Leek College because I thought the academic side was really good. I come here, I had my interview, I was joining quite late, and I thought it was good how they accepted me on, even though I was joining late. I felt that everybody was a big team. It wasn't this, well, your course, you fit to them. Everyone's involved with each other. You can get contact with such good people, and they can all help you.
School was different to college because, like I said, you have to carry on taking more than just one subject, and also like what Liz has said, like you'd have to call them like Miss, whereas here it's just like it's a first name basis. So we feel that we can build a better relationship with our tutors than what we probably would have been able to at school. And also the groups are smaller here, and it's because it's only a small college, you get a lot more support, which I think that we wouldn't have got if we had done it at school.
Yeah, it's a lot more independent learning, but the tutors know you. Rather than with a big class, they just kind of try and get their time around. There's just not enough time, but with here, they're small groups, so everyone has their own time with the tutor for their independent, really needing help. I love it.
Yeah. It's not like school, because in school you get detentions and things like that. If you're late and they moan at you. But here, everybody chooses to come to college because they want to be here. So that's what
it's not because you have to, is it? It's because you want to.
It's because you want to. You turn around here and say, well, if you don't want to be here, you don't have to be here. But nobody chooses to go. We all choose to stay because we love it here.
I've already achieved the grades that I need to get into university already, but because my work isn't completed yet, I'm going to come out with more than what I need to get into university. And I've already achieved, I'm a lot more confident than what I was when I was at school, whether that's due to the support that I'm getting and like the people in the group, like our class, we get on really well with each other, don't we? But we've got a Unisic portfolio, which is like our personal professional development, so that's helped us to become more organised, and our communication has improved, and we've got a better understanding of the concepts of health and social care, definitely.
Yeah, as well as the academic, definitely, I've become a lot more confident since I've been at this college. I didn't really used to mix well with other people. I didn't really have many friends, if I'm being honest. But no, I've come here and I get on really well with everybody because everyone's just so friendly, and we just get on so much as a class, and it's really good. I love it.
But even with the tutors as well, we get on really
definitely
well.
You've built up such a relationship with them. Hopefully now we're all going to come out with really good grades, talking distinction stars are all coming out with, so it's really good. Also, you can see, like I say about development, you can just see how much you've developed and where people are at and what jobs they are in now. So we've got clinical health workers, nurses, people that are doing first aid, so it's really good. People in nursing homes, so we've all developed quite a lot.
But as well as all the experience from our placement as well, we've got so much experience from that.
To go out and get a job and be able to apply yourself into it, so you can do it straight away now.
Like my job I've just got as a clinical support worker at a hospital, that's due to the experience that I've got from this course.
Our tutors support us so much, don't they? Like when we first started, it was always saying, well, if you don't get your work in, then you are going to fail the course, like you really do need to work hard. But the thing is, I think we've built such a good relationship with our tutors. The support that they give us now is kind of like, well, you are not going to fail this course, we will not allow you to fail this course, and that fills us with
relief.
Relief, because we know that we're going to come out with good grades due to the support that they've given us. Because you can go to them at any point in the day and ask them a question, and they'll help you pretty much straight away with it.
And we know that they care enough.
Yeah, that they care enough to go out of the way to mark your work and get it back to you. The job role that I was wanting to take on was a social worker, but due to the placements that I've been on, in my second year, I went into a school with children with challenging behaviour and who were also in care, and I really fit in there. So because I'll only be 23 by the time I finish university and pass my degree as a social worker, I will be still quite young and inexperienced. So if I did want to get a job in the meantime, I would definitely look into working with children in care, with challenging behaviour and special needs and stuff, because that's what I've been placed on at my time at college. So.
Yeah, originally I wanted to be a midwife because I really thought that's what I wanted to do, but going on my placements through college, I've realised that I suit so much better for either mental health or learning disability nursing. I really think it's my thing that I need to do. So through that, like, I've got a job as a clinical support worker at a hospital, and I'm going to uni to do mental health nursing. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Yes, I'm going to university studying my nursing, adult nursing, be very generalised, and after that I can go to be paramedics. I thought might as well keep my options open, so I've got something to fall back on. So it's really good there. And at college have helped me a lot with that. We've got good connections with like local universities such as Keele, Staffs, Derby.
I would definitely recommend Leek College to other people because I think because it is such a small college, but it's also really effective with what it teaches you. And obviously we've said before, like, the support that you get is just outstanding from all the tutors and like everybody that comes here. But like, even though we don't really have much to do with people on the other courses, like, you'll see people around college and everyone's really friendly with each other because it is so small and you see them on a day-to-day basis. So it's really good.
I would definitely recommend Leek College if you're not very confident, to be honest, because I mean, it's helped me.
Confidence building.
From the start of my college year to now, I can't believe how much I've grown as a person. It's ridiculous, yeah. But I would definitely recommend it, no doubt.
My overall experience of being at Leek College is it's just been absolutely amazing. Like, we're leaving soon and I don't want to go because I know that, like, as much support as I am going to get when I go to university, there'll be nothing like the support you get here, will there ever, like, for all the placements and the outings that we've been on, and it's just everything's here for you. And
I've made so many good friends, really good friends for me. I just don't want to leave.
No.
Yeah, you've got relationships with your friends, tutors.
The tutors.